Imagine I hand you a blank paper and say, go buy a Coke. You'd think I lost my mind. But if the same paper has 500 rupees printed on it, suddenly you're ready to buy me the Coke too. Crazy, right? So, why do we all agree that this paper is worth something? Let's find out. Here's the interesting part. If money is just paper and ink or in digital form, just numbers on a screen, yet people spend their whole lives working for it, saving it, and even fighting over it. But why would something so ordinary hold so much power? The real magic is trust. Everyone believes this piece of paper will be accepted by others in exchange for real things, like food, clothes, or even the latest iPhone. The shopkeeper trusts it, you trust it, and because we all trust it, it works. But wait, this raises a big question. Why do we trust it in the first place? Earlier, money was backed by gold. Every note could be exchanged for actual gold stored in the bank. That was called the gold standard. But today, most countries use something called fiat money. Fiat is just a fancy word for this because the government says so. Basically, money has value because government promise it, and by law, it's recognized as legal tender. You can use it to settle debts and payments, and everyone else around you agrees to play along. So if you thought the value of money came from the paper it uses, the ink, or the security thread, that is totally wrong. It's the shared belief of millions of people. Money works because we all agree it does. But if tomorrow people stopped believing in it, it will remain just a piece of art. Alright? If you found this video helpful, give a like, share it around, and subscribe for more simple explainers. Bye.